Hello, friends. Welcome back. A quick update in between my Hall's cough drops. Anyway, there's some Chromebook news. There is a Chromebook training game, like for the Olympics. So, Google has a training center that is setting up a learning system based on a game. I haven't tried it yet, but it says here it allows you to brush up on the basics, train store employees to better sell Chromebooks, and really for yourself if you want to take the game. Now, it says here that the game, which is more than just a quiz full of activities and mini games, will take you about 30 minutes to complete. Sounds interesting. And it wraps up with a survey so Google can get your feedback on its effectiveness at conveying learning concepts. I think it's a cool idea for Windows users, I guess, primarily, who are still a little bit confused or squeamish about trying a Chromebook. So I just clicked the link and it says here this is a hands-on, interactive, gamified Chromebook training that will give you a quick overview and practical keyboard shortcuts. You can get started here. Again, this takes about 30 minutes. I may take this just out of curiosity, but I think it's a great idea. I mean, why not? I have Chromebooks and I love them. Anyway, that's all I have for this one. If you take this training, let me know how it works out for you. And if you buy a Chromebook, let me know. Join the Chromebook club, as it were. Take care. I'll catch you on the next one. Now, where's that box of cough drops? It's here somewhere. Here we go. Okay.